Hello friends, hope you're well. And today I have a different idea for your garden, and that is spring garden decor. It's spring season, so I want to give you some unique ideas about spring season. Basically, spring is a time for renewal and rejuvenation, and what better way to welcome this season than by sprucing up your garden with some fresh decor? With the right accessories and a little creativity, you can transform your outdoor space into a vibrant and inviting oasis. So, today I'm gonna give you some different spring garden decor ideas that will inspire you. Number one is flower beds. Add a splash of color to your garden by planting flowers in various shades of pink, yellow, and purple. And you can create flower beds in any shape or size you like, and mix and match different types of flowers to create a dynamic visual display. Then you can add bird houses and feeders in your garden. Bring some life and activity to your garden by installing bird houses and bird feeders. Not only will they attract bird, but they also add a charming touch to your outdoor space. Then you can add wind chimes. Wind chimes are a classic garden accessory that can create a soothing and calming atmosphere. Hang them from tree or in an area where the wind can easily pass through. Then you can add water features in your garden. The sound of running water is a great way to add some tranquility to your garden. And consider installing a small fountain or a pond with a waterfall to create a serene and peaceful atmosphere. Then lighting is a very important feature in your garden. So outdoor lighting, do not let your garden go to waste at night. Adding some outdoor lighting can create a cozy and intimate ambience. String lights or lanterns can add a whimsical touch, while spotlights can highlight specific features in your garden. So use them. Then there are garden sculptures. Add some character and personality to your garden with unique sculptures. You can opt for classical garden sculptures or contemporary pieces that reflect your personal style. Garden seating is a very important thing because you have to sit in the garden. So create a cozy and inviting area in your garden by adding some seating from benches to chairs, and there are plenty of options to choose from that can provide comfort and relaxation while enjoying your outdoor space. So, in conclusion, with the right decor, your garden can be transformed into a stunning oasis for you and your loved ones to enjoy during the spring season. So, this is all about today's video. I hope so you like all the ideas in it, and do comment us, subscribe us, and hit the